All right, the drink we're about to make is a hot chocolate butternut. All right, let's start off with some butterscotch schnapps. We're going to do 2 ounces of butterscotch schnapps. We're going to follow that up with 1/2 of an ounce of amaretto. And now we're going to fill it up with some good old hot cocoa. There we go. So this drink should have a nice butterscotch almond flavor. That's how we get the butternut, combination of the butterscotch schnapps and the amaretto. So if you're looking for a way to add some fun to your hot chocolate, now you know what to do. All right, let's top it off with some whipped cream. And we'll give it a cherry to make it look pretty. And that's it. That is a hot chocolate butternut. Bottoms up.